Welcome back to IndiaMART Leaders of Tomorrow, only on ET Now. Up next is a 4-decade-old company from Nasik in Maharashtra that has made over 300 innovative products to cater to India's priority sectors like defense, railways, communication and power. It was the first company in the country to introduce the metal detector technology, and today it has a presence in over 70 countries around the world. Take a look. A strong value for research and development and an innovative approach to business define this next company called Sivananda Electronics. Incepted in the year 1970 in Nasik district's Devlali town, it was the first company to introduce metal detectors in India. Today, Sivananda Electronics is a pioneer in manufacturing testing and measuring instruments and security products for India and the world, equipment that earlier had to be imported into the country.
Our products, through our indigenously developed innovation and design, they match the designs and technologies of top international players. And we also provide additional features that suits the client's specific requirements. These are the edges we have over international players. In fact, it's hard to believe that even Germans who would not like to buy any products from outside their country, they take our technology, buy our products and sell it in their country.
Thanks to its indigenous technology platform, the company has introduced more than 300 innovative security and test and measuring instruments till date. And the man who's credited for this phenomenal success rate is M.K. Birmani. Birmani's continuous passion towards innovation has helped Sivananda carve a niche in the electrical and electronics sector.
See, in our products, at 70% of our products now have no competition. But it is a question of credibility and support. So foreigners are very happy with our products. In fact, they are encouraging us. But the support system, because once you sell something, you have to look after it. That has to grow now, so that and we are training foreign people in that.
What's the marketing strategy that you adopt?
See, there are two aspects, selling and marketing. So our name is so good that people, if we give them something, they'll buy from us. So that is that look after the client. If you look after the client, he'll be with you. And we have gone far in that. People trust us totally.
What are your future plans for the company?
Our instruments and securities are now going out. In fact, it is surprising that we have exported to 70 countries now, high technology products, and more people are coming to us. We were even selected by the European Commission to reduce their costs. So it's growing in a nice way now. In the coming years, there's, I think 70 countries, even a foreign people may set up a joint venture with us.
What's the unique selling point of your company?
Normally, competitors want to make a product more efficiently so that they can also compete. Our USP is that we give an innovative solution to the measurement problem or the security problem.
To maintain top quality and high output rate, the company has a modern manufacturing facility at Devlali. This setup is well equipped with advanced machines to carry out the production of transformer test equipment, wire and cable test equipment, and capacitor test equipment, to name a few. Sivananda also has a well-integrated unit for making high-end security products like metal detectors, turnstiles, tube styles, and more.
We have developed various security products from medium security to high security. The products are tripod turnstiles, flap barriers, swing lane barriers, and high-level security products are full height turnstiles and tube styles, which are specially aimed for the smart card manufacturers and the bank server rooms.
Our focus is on to develop innovative products which are very good in quality so that customer gets real value.
Having started the business with an investment of 1 lakh rupees, M.K. Birmani and his team have today achieved an annual turnover of over 25 crore rupees. With its enormous zeal and drive for success, Sivananda Electronics aims to leverage the tremendous potential of the electronics sector in India and overseas.
Shivananda Electronics has done very well to grow to a turnover of 25 crore in the niche testing space, especially given the low amount of capital invested. Your ROEs are extremely impressive. going forward, you should focus on growing this business faster. You should look at 20-25% annual growth so that you can build a really substantial business in this space.